Session 7. Shopping.
Did you find the dress you were after?
I went back to the shop, but they ran out of that design.
Did you try to find it at another shop?
I looked everywhere. It crossed my mind to not go to the wedding.
That seems a bit drastic.
I changed my mind. I wasn't going to let a silly dress spoil the day.
I'm glad. Did you buy a dress then?
No, I was tired of unfruitful shopping, so I came home. Though last week I saw a nice dress in a shop. I hope they didn't sell it.
Do you want me to go and see if they still have it? I can ask them to put it aside for you.
That would be great, thank you. It was displayed in the shop window at Merton's. It was blue with gypsy-style sleeves. It had little flowers, like small sunflowers, on it. The price was £40, if I remember well.
I'm sure there is only one dress that looks like that.